Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today I'm recording 5070/22 May June 2018 paper for you all. This paper is of 1 hour 30 minutes. I have already recorded part 1, 2 and 3. You can check them out. I'll put the link in the description down below. Here I am starting part 4, and we did all of these questions in part 3. So we did all of these questions. Now we're gonna do question number 6, that is from section A. The question is, the diagram shows a partial structure of a polyester. Part A, draw the partial structure of nylon. So for the partial structure of nylon, first of all, the elements that are in nylon is NH, that is nitrogen, as well as hydrogen, as well as carbon, as well as oxygen. So what do we have to do is that we are going to make it almost the same structure, but because there is nitrogen and hydrogen over here and not oxygen bond that is amine bond is present in nylon. So we are going to write NH over here rather than O and connect them. And you can draw almost the same structure, just this O's will be removed, these O's, and NH will be connected here, and hydrogen will be connected with nitrogen. Moving on to part B, the diagram shows the partial structure of an addition polymer. What is meant by an addition polymerization? Addition polymerization is simply when many monomers react together and they form one product. Make sure you mention this, that it forms only one product and not more than one product. Like, for example, from this I mean, like in condensation polymerization, sometimes water is formed, like most of the time water is formed. However, in addition polymerization, only one product is formed, and that is only the polymer of that monomer. Like, first of all, it is in alkene form, and then it comes in this polymer form where the double bond is broken, and further of the same chains are connected. Of the same compound is chained up, basically. This is what I meant. So simply the answer for this is that monomers react together, many monomers react together to form one product. These make 2 marks. How? First of all, you will mention that there are many monomers that react together, or monomers that react together, or many monomers, because usually even when we have 2 monomers, we can make a polymer. Because polymer is more than 2 actually, more than 1 to 2, alright. So this is how it is. And the second mark is for telling that it will only form one single product. Part 2, draw the structure of alkene that can be used to make this addition polymer. Alkene, see, there's a trick behind it. It will work always when you're talking about addition polymer. Whenever you just simply have to keep in mind that you have to forget this entire chain and keep only 2 carbons in mind. When you keep these 2 carbons in mind, you have to remember that you have broken up these chains. It means that this chain that is over here and over here are not connected. Or we can take any of the 2 carbons. Like, for explanation, let me take the center 2 carbons. Now the center 2 carbon, you just have to imagine that this carbon has broken bond with this carbon, and this carbon, like this carbon, has broken bond with this carbon. So automatically it will form a double bond between each other. So what is alkene and alkene? It is simply the alkene that turns into a polymer, that is an addition polymer. For this, simply C double bond is important, and only 2 carbons you need to mention, that are the center carbons. I'm not talking about the side ones or the branching ones, not about that. I'm talking about the center ones that we can see over here, that are continuing the chain, or that are the part of the chain, that are involved in making up the chain. So now let's come to part 3. Describe one pollution problem associated with the disposal of this addition polymer. For this, simply when we talk about this polymer, so this polymer is going to be non-biodegradable, so it will not easily decompose. Thus, it is going to cause pollution problems. It might remain on land for a longer time. There might be reasons of different things such as choking or flowing into the water, polluting the water environment. And like literally the biggest thing is it litters the ground, it litters the land, it litters the water and all that. So simply you can write they are non-biodegradable and they do not decompose easily because it's just for 1 mark. And if you will solve this question correctly, you are gonna get 5 marks for sure. That is it for this video. We were done with section A. Now we will move on to section B in our next video. Stay tuned. Make sure you like, subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon so that you can get all of the updates. Whenever I post a new video, you are the first one who will be able to watch it if you ring the bell icon. And comment if you have any kind of query, any kind of feedbacks that you want to give, anything at all. I'll welcome all kinds of queries and I'll make sure I solve them in my upcoming videos for sure. And also share this video with your friends so that they can also take help from it if they're doing O-levels and they require help in past papers. Once again, thank you very much for watching.